Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. Asking someone to open the window. Can you open the window please? Can you open the window please? Inviting a friend for lunch. Will you join me for lunch? Will you join me for lunch? Asking about the price of something. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Talking about being thirsty. I am very thirsty. Can I have some water? I am very thirsty. Can I have some water? Offering a seat to someone. Please sit here. This seat is free. Please sit here. This seat is free. Asking the time politely. Excuse me, what's the time now? Excuse me, what's the time now? Talking about going shopping. I'm going shopping this evening. I'm going shopping this evening. Asking about favorite movie. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Talking about being busy with studies. I am busy preparing for my exams. I am busy preparing for my exam. Asking about weekend plans. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Talking about traveling by bus. I usually travel by bus to work. I usually travel by bus to work. Asking someone to call you later. Please call me later. Please call me later. Talking about being tired after work. I feel tired after a long day. I feel tired after a long day. Asking about mobile network problem. My phone has no signal. My phone has no signal. Talking about enjoying music. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. Asking someone to take a photo. Can you take a photo of us? Can you take a photo of us? Talking about being in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. Let's go fast. I'm in a hurry. Let's go fast. Asking about favorite sport. Do you like playing cricket? Do you like playing cricket? Talking about cooking food. I'm cooking dinner right now. I'm cooking dinner right now. Saying goodbye when leaving a friend's house. Thanks for today. See you soon. Thanks for today. See you soon. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.